Monday, right? So, but I'm going to make sure I have them here. If I can only get to it. All right, so first one, 2 over 7 divided by 3. So we want to put this over 1. All right, so you know what? I'll just do it on the side. Okay. So first question, 2 over 7 divided by 3. And remember, so we're putting this a whole number over 1, just change to a fraction. Now, this stays, and we're going to multiply. If we're going to change this to multiplication problem, we're going to use the reciprocal. So 3 over 1 becomes 1 over 3. And we get 2 times 1 is 2 over 21. The second question, 3 divided by 5/8, right? And we put it over 1 again. Again, first fraction stays, division, multiplication, reciprocal, becomes 8 over 5. 3 times 8 is 24 over 5. So how many times can 5 go into 24? It would be 4 times, right? So if I had $24 and I want to give $5 to everybody, $5 to you, $5 to you, $5 to this person, how many people can I give it to? I can give 4 people $5. And then the last person, I'm not going to have enough. How many do I have left over? 4 over 5. Okay. 3 over 8 divided by 1 over 2. So it's nice and easy. 3 over 8 times 2 over 1. And we get 3 times 2 is 6, and 8 times 1, which is 8. Those of you who know, you're familiar with simplifying, you can simplify to 3/4. This is okay, but eventually we want to get to that, and we'll work on this on Monday, okay? 4/6 divided by 3/7. First fraction stays. We change this to multiplication, which makes us use the reciprocal. So 4 times 7 is 28. 6 times 3 is 18. All right, so I have $28. I want to give 18 to Jaslyn. And then I want to give our mere $18, right? Can I give our mere $18? No, I'm not going to have it enough. So one person gets 18. And how much left over do I have in my pocket? I'm going to have $10 over 18. Okay, which eventually is going to simplify to 1 over 1 and 5/9. Okay, but again, like I said, we'll work at this on Monday. So if you got this far, you're pretty good. I don't know why this stops working every now and then. Please. Right, there we go. So we're going to do that one. So 2/10 divided by 3/10. No, 2/12 divided by 3/10. So we got 2/12 times 10 over 3, right? Because we're changing this to multiplication, we're going to use the reciprocal of the second fraction here, of the divisor. So 2 times 10 is 20. 12 times 3 is 36. If by any chance you simplified, divided by 4 is 5 over 6. Okay, again, we have to work on that change, but again, this is completely fine. 11 over 15 divided by 5 over 6. First fraction stays. Division becomes multiplication, reciprocal. 11 times 6 is 66. 15 times 5 is 75. We can divide that by 3. We get 33 over 25. No, sorry, what am I doing? Divide by 3, get 22 over 25. Okay, and again, we'll work on this Monday, but this is okay too. This is okay. Okay, a mixed number divided by 2/3. So again, remember, if we have a whole number or a mixed number, we got to change it to an improper fraction or the whole number to a fraction. So again, little x here and then a plus. Go around. 3 times 3 is 9, plus 1 is 10, so that becomes 10 over 3 divided by 2/3. 10 over 3 times 3 over 2, reciprocal. 10 times 3 is 30, and 3 times 2 is 6. I have $30. I want to give $6 to every friend I know. How many friends can I do it? This one is actually nice because 5 friends I can do it. And they will each get $6, $6, $6, $6, $6, and I'm going to have nothing left over. That's why my answer is like that. 2 mixed numbers. So again, times plus, and times plus. Change colors here. So 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 is 11, over 2. Divided by 4 times 1 is 4, plus 3 is 7, over 4. Change it now, right? Reciprocal of 7 of 4 is 4 sevenths. Ready to multiply? 11 times 4 is 44. 2 times 7 is 14. So ask yourself again, you have $44. You want to give $14 to Amir. I want to give $14 to Camila. I have enough. Can I give Jacqueline $14? Do I have enough? Well, let's see. 14 plus 14 plus 14 is 42. Oh, I do have enough. Remember, I have $44. So for 3 people, I can give $14. $14. And then to Sonam, can I give him $14 again? I can't. Because after I gave 14 to Amir, 14 to Camila, 14 to Jacqueline, I only have $2 in my pocket. So 3 people got 14, and then to Sonam, I gave him $2 out of 14. Okay. What did I just do? 5.5. Okay, so all right. So now, hopefully, this is working. Yeah, let's move on. We have 4 more. So this is very easy homework. 2, 5, 6 divided by 3. So here we have to make 2 changes, right? So the first one, let's do the easy one. Let's put a 3 over 1. Here I'm going to put a times and plus just to remind myself. Right? And then multiply 6 times 2, which is 12. Plus 5 is 17. 17 over 6. Now let's make our change to multiplication. And therefore, I'm going to use the reciprocal. So 17 times 1 is 17, and 6 times 3 is 18. This one, I have no changes. It's my final answer. 7 divided by 2 and 3/5. So again, we have to make 2 changes. So let's do the easy one. That one. And then here, times and a plus. 5 times 2 is 10. We'll put the arrow there. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 3 is 13, over 5. Change the multiplication, which makes me have to use the reciprocal. 7 and 5 is 35. 1 times 13 is 13. So, I want to give 13 to Jeremy. I want to give 13 to Jaslyn. Do I have enough to give 13 to Luis? Do I have? Well, 13 plus 13 is 26, right? I already gave Jeremy 13, Jaslyn 13. And if I give Luis 13, that's $39. I don't have $39, so oops. Guess what? To Luis, I cannot give 13. So if I give Jeremy and Jaslyn 13 and 13, that's 26. So 2 people got $13. So $26, right? I have 35 in my pocket minus 26. That gives me. So I have $9 in my pocket left. So for Luis, how much can I give him? I can give him $9 out of 13. Sam has 12 and 3/5 gallons of gas left in his car, so he has a lot of gasoline. She uses 2 1/4 gallons per day. So imagine, so you have this much gas in your car, okay? 12 and 3/5. That's all gasoline. And every day she uses this much, and I'm just using picture. This much, which is 2 1/4. Monday she used 2 1/4. Tuesday she's going to use 2 1/4. Wednesday she's going to use 2 1/4. Thursday she's going to use 2 1/4, and so forth and so forth. So how many days will 12 and 3/5 gallons last for her? So how many days you can think she can drive her car? So let's set up the problem first. So this is what I have. So remember, it's always what you have. This is what I have. And I want to divide this by 2 1/4. So this is the most important thing. Because this setup, if you have it reversed, then obviously you're not going to get the correct. So once you understand this, right, this is what you have. Right? And you're going to see how many times you can use 2 and 1/4. So, divided by 2 and 1/4. Let's change that. It's times and plus. Oops, and change colors. Times and plus. 5 times 12 is 60. 60 plus 3 is 63 over 5. Divided by 4 times 2 is 8. Plus 1 is 9 over 4. Change the multiplication problem, which we're going to use the reciprocal. 5 times 9 at the bottom, I know that. It's 45. 63 times 4 is 12, 252. So you're definitely going to need a calculator here. All right, so let's do our calculations here. So how many times can 45 go into 52? So 45 times 1 is 45. Definitely for sure. 45 times 2, 90. So I still have enough money, right? 45, let me see if I can give 45 to 3 people. And that's going to be 135. That's okay because I have 252. 45 times 4, it's going to be 180. I still have enough money. So again, you calculate, you don't have to start by 1, but you can just play around. 45 times 5 is 225. I still have money, right? So I can give it to 5 people. Can I give it to the 6th person? Well, 45 times 6 is 270. So I cannot give it to 6 people. So for sure, I can give $45, $45 5 times to 5 people. So how much left over do I have? Well, then you have to subtract, right? This is what I had. I gave it to 5 people, which means I spent $225. 12 minus 5 is 7, 4 minus 2. So I have 27. So the next person is only going to get $27 out of 45. So in terms of the problem, what does it say? How many days can she drive before having to go to the gas station? She can drive 5 full days for sure. And the next day, can she drive the whole day? No, she can drive maybe halfway. Maybe she goes to work. She can't come back because she's going to run out of gas, right? A little bit more than half. Tommy's dog eats 3 and 1/4 cups of dog food per serving. That's a lot of food. If Tommy feeds his dog 3 times a day, how many days can he feed his dog with a 156 cup bag of dog food? Oh my God. So, all right. Let's think about what the question says. Imagine those of you who have dogs, you go to Target or Costco, one of those big supermarkets, and you buy those huge bags of dog food. So this one says there's 156 cups of dog food in this bag. It's one of those big bags. I'm pretty sure you've seen them. All right. Now Tommy eats 3 times a day. Right? It says per serving. Per serving. So Tommy in the morning, Tommy's dog eats 3 and 1/4 cup. And then at lunch, 3 and 1/4 cup. And then at night, I'm assuming he eats dinner, right? 3 and 1/4 cup, right? Morning, lunch, and dinner. All right, so that's how much Tommy's dog eats per day. So let's add this up. Okay, so if you add this up, Alexa, stop. You're gonna get 9 and 3/4. So per day, every day, Tommy's dog eats 9 and 3/4 cups per day. Okay, so we have to do there's quite a few things we have to do here. So first we have to find out how much does the dog eat every day. So if I go to Costco and I buy 150, this bag here, which is 156 cups inside this bag, how many days can I feed Tommy's dog? Well, one day. Do I have enough for one day? Yes, because I only need 9 and 3/4 cups. Do I have enough for 2 days? Yes. Do I have enough for 3? Well, etc., etc. We're going to have to calculate. So this is what I have, and I want to divide it by 9 and 3/4. Okay. So let's put that in over 1. And let's change this. Times and 4. 4 times 9 is 36, plus 3 is 39. Over 4. Let's make our change to multiplication. 156 over 1 times 4 over 39. You definitely need a calculator here. So I know the bottom one is easy, 39. 4 times 6 is 24, 22, 624. So, and then, again, how many times can 39 go in 64? 624. Well, you can divide. I'm not too sure. So I'm going to have to go through division with you guys. So let me do it through division. Actually, let me do it not through division. So I want you to understand how many times can 39 go in 64. Let's pick a number here. Let's 39 times, well, it's going to be more than 10. So let's try 39 times 15. All right, I'm going to take out my calculator. 39 times 15 is 585. So let's try 39 times 16. 39 times 16. 624. Ooh. So 39 goes inside 624 exactly. So you guys are really lucky. 16 times. Hang on a second, because there's something not right here. 4. What am I doing wrong? I can't do that. 156. Oh no, I'm right. I'm sorry. I am. So So how many days can Tommy feed his dog with 156 cups? He can feed his dog for 16 days. Okay. So if you do this 9 3/4, right, on day 1, 9 3/4 on day 2, 9 3/4 cup on day 3, and you do that 16 times, you actually get exactly 156 cups of dog food. Okay. Well, so that's it. Well, hopefully you get to check out the video.